Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a very simple and all natural remedy that is going to help treat breakouts on your face. If you're struggling with acne and dark scars, this remedy is going to help you get rid of all of that from your face. This remedy is going to comprise of apple cider vinegar, turmeric powder and plain water. If this is your first time watching this channel, click on that subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give this video a huge thumbs up. So let's get started. The first ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very rich in antiseptic properties. Apple cider vinegar is very rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties. Apple cider vinegar is going to help fight any kind of acne and dark scars on your face. Apple cider vinegar is also very rich in toning properties. Apple cider vinegar is going to treat you of dark scars and is going to leave your face moisturized and healthy because it's going to deeply cleanse your pores. It's going to get rid of all the toxins and dirt from your pores by penetrating into it and clearing it out, leaving you with a clean and dirt-free pores. Next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is water. Water is very essential to the body. Water is very good because it's going to help keep your face hydrated. Water is going to help to cleanse your face of all the fine lines and blemishes. Water is going to help keep your face moisturized. The next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is rich in antifungal and antiviral properties, thereby it's going to fight any free radicals on your face. These radicals that produce wrinkles and fine lines. Turmeric powder is going to fight these free radicals, therefore leaving your face free from fine lines and blemishes and also wrinkles. Turmeric powder also contains high amounts of toning properties, therefore not only will your face be free from acne and dark scars and blemishes, your face will also be toned. You have a much brighter and much even tone. Turmeric powder is going to help exfoliate your face and is also going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells on your face, leaving way for new and healthy tissues to grow. Turmeric powder is going to help keep your face rejuvenated, moisturized and revitalized. To my bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Shake your apple cider. Shake. 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. So to that, we'll just add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So we'll mix this together till it's completely combined. Everything is properly combined. So here is the consistency you should have when preparing this remedy. So our acne treatment is ready. So to apply this remedy, just go in with your hands and massage this all around your face in a circular motion. This circular motion of application is going to stimulate circulation on your face, and which is very good. So you massage it for 5 minutes. Remember, you have to use not your palm but your fingertips. Just 2 is okay, just as I'm doing right now. You massage for 5 minutes and you allow this to sit on you until it is completely dried. When it is completely dried, you just go ahead and wash this off with water. Remember to store the remains of your remedy in your fridge but you won't store it for more than 7 days. And to apply this remedy, you apply it twice in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks for best results. So you store this in your fridge for not more than 7 days, and you have to prepare it in small quantities so that you consume it before 7 days elapses. So you have to try this, guys, because I tried it and it worked for me, so I decided to share it with you guys. Try this and let me know your result in the comment section below. You have to repeat this remedy for about 2 to 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks, come back and give me a thumbs up and give me a thank you, because this remedy is going to amaze you. It's going to leave your face smooth. It's going to give you a much tender and younger look. It's going to help rejuvenate and revitalize your face. So guys, this is it. I hope it was helpful and useful. Don't forget to share with your friends and loved ones. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, any of my healthy, very effective videos on this channel, and 100% natural as well. So this is it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.